You are minutes away from manifesting your dream car. Stay with me and let's go. Take a slow, steady breath in and let it go. Close your eyes, let your shoulders drop, allow your breathing to find a calm, gentle rhythm. Now, I want you to picture a wide open space in front of you, a quiet morning or a warm late afternoon. You look out in the distance in front of you and you see the silhouette of something beautiful, something that is your dream car. You see it now. It is exactly the car you have imagined so many times. It's resting on the pavement like a promise. Notice the shape, the long hood, the curve of the roof, the angle of the headlights. It sits there with a quiet confidence waiting for you. Now, step closer with me. Take 3 slow steps forward, each step bringing the car slightly more into sharper focus. Let's look at the color. What color is it? Watch as the sun or the street lamps kiss the paint, bringing the color to life. Raise your hand and gently glide your fingers along the side of the car. Feel the temperature of the metal beneath your fingertips. Now walk slowly to the front of the car. Look at the grille, the pattern, the stance, how it frames the emblem and the badge that promises identity and pride. Notice the headlights, clear, precise lenses that look like eyes. Imagine your head tilting slightly and catching a small glimpse of your own reflection on the hood. Now, walk around the car. Take in every detail that you see on the exterior. Admire it. From these angles, you'll notice the slope of the bonnet, the stance of the wheels, the way the rear tapers with a sensual promise of speed and grace. Touch the car, touch the wheels as you walk around. Take it all in. Now, as you come back to the driver's side door, reach out and grab the door handle. Feel the cool, solid handle beneath your fingers. Press the button or pull. Hear the latch clink as it opens. The door opens smoothly, revealing the interior. Now, step inside and slide into the seat. The seat molds to your body as though it remembers your shape. Sink in and feel the upholstery. There is a subtle new car scent of warm leather or faint new fabric sweetness. Take a deep breath and fill that scent into your lungs. Bring your hands to the steering wheel now. Your palms rest naturally in the right place. Look at the dashboard, clean lines and soft backlit dials. The instruments light up like tiny constellations of stars telling you that everything is ready for you. Turn slowly in the seat and take in every detail of the cabin. Notice the stitch lines on the seats, the polished trim along the door. Now pick up your finger and place it on the ignition button. Now you press start, and as you press start, the engine comes to life. Feel the vibration travel up your hands into your arms and settle deep in your chest. Ease the car into gear. As you pull away, feel the weight shift. The car is now moving and you are driving it. Now I want you to drive the car. Imagine the road is unfurling in front of you. Long stretches, gentle curves, a sprint of open highway. And you are steering this masterpiece along the road in front of you. The steering is precise, the acceleration is quick like liquid silk under your feet. Yes, you are currently driving your dream car and it feels awesome. Now, for the final step, I want you to picture pulling up to a beautiful parking lot in a place that matters to you. Maybe it's in front of your house or wherever it is. I want you to now park that car. Park the car and slowly get out the car. Take a few steps and begin to walk away, but turn around and look at the masterpiece behind you. I want you to smile and feel the feeling of walking away from this beautiful car, your dream car that is now yours. Feel that feeling of pride, satisfaction, and gratefulness. You have done it. You have manifested your dream car. Now, slowly open your eyes, come back to life, but bring with you the imagery that you've just imagined. Carry this memory with you and return to this meditation whenever you want to relive these moments. The more you do it, the more vividly you will imagine it, the more you will feel it, and the quicker you will be able to manifest your dream car in real life. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for manifesting with me today. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and may your dream car be yours very soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.